Welcome to this WRX and STI accessory showcase and gift idea video. These are 12 accessories that I've acquired and used over the year, and I want to show you in case you want gift ideas, if you have a loved one who owns a WRX or STI, or if you want to treat yourself. Most of these are pretty inexpensive. For links to everything, check out the video description. Let's get to it. If you have one of these cars, you may have thought that the trapdoor in front of your fuse box was also a coin storage tray, but that is not the case. It seems like a pretty basic oversight, but there is an easy solution. This fuse box coin tray replaces that useless door with a practical and useful storage space. The texture of the tray is the same as the car, so it looks stock. And the kit also comes with fuse guide stickers to support the different vehicles and trims that use the same cover. With as cheap as it is, there is no reason not to grab one. And along the same lines of accessories that shouldn't have to exist is this center console extension. Without this extension, there just isn't a comfortable way to rest your arm, especially on long trips. The installation is super simple and can be done in just a few minutes. If your car didn't have this add-on already installed, I would highly recommend getting one. This is one of those mods that is useful from day one. My next gadget is this Rexing V5 dash cam. I have a detailed review and sample footage video, so be sure to check it out. This accessory is a bit more expensive than the others, but I decided that when it comes to dash cams, I would only get high quality ones because I need it to be reliable 100% of the time. And although I featured the same dash cam in last year's video, that is exactly why I'm featuring it again, because I still have it and it's worked flawlessly since. This one right here is modular and has tons of cool features. In this day and age, a dash cam is just a necessity, especially when you have a performance car like the WRX or STI. And just like the dash cam offers security and protection, I'm super excited to also feature this auto-wit super capacitor jump starter. I do have a dedicated video in which I go over a lot of detail, so I recommend you check that out if you're interested, but this particular jump starter does not contain an internal battery, and that is exactly the beauty of it. If your car refuses to start on a cold winter morning because it just doesn't have enough juice, you can attach the auto-wit to your battery. It has a large capacitor bank inside, so the leftover energy from your battery will charge the capacitors. The unit will then deliver the energy all at once to your starter, allowing you to start your car. It's actually quite genius, and because it has no batteries, you can store it in your trunk indefinitely until you need it. Again, check out my video review for a more thorough assessment. Next, we have this Icon Motorsports rear diffuser. I'm including this because I think the finished product looks really nice for a relatively cheap price. It gives the rear of the car a more aggressive look without going overboard. The installation is pretty simple, but there are some nuances to it, so be sure to check out my install video. But if you can get past a few shortcomings, you're left with a pretty good looking rear bumper. My next recommendation is completely free. That's right, it's called the Badge of Ownership, and it is a free gift that you can get as long as you own a Subaru. Just go to the website and build your badge. You can select from a wide number of badges representing just about anything you can be passionate about. Once you're done, enter your personal and vehicle info, and in just a few weeks, you will get the badges. What you do with them when you get them is up to you, but this is free, so if you own a Subaru, why not? Next, we have another fantastic modification and clever idea. This is a Fumoto drain valve. If you do your own vehicle maintenance, this little drain valve will save you tons of time, especially for you WRX owners with your oil filter on top of the engine bay. The valve replaces the original drain plug, and once installed, it never has to be removed. Simply turn the lever to drain your oil and you are on your way. I've had mine installed over a year now and have no regrets. In the video description, I will also link some accessories I featured last year, like this Cup Holder Hero liner kit meant to go in every cubby in your car, this leather key fob cover that I've had for several years and still looks like new, these climate control rings that are still holding and they've been through a couple of summers and winters, this access port mount that is super convenient and I use almost every day, these door handle cup protectors that will keep the finish behind your door handles new, and finally, I got around to launching a merch store. Although it's a work in progress, I do invite you to check it out. And that's my list of accessories and gift ideas for 2021. Links to every one of these products in the video description. Everything on this list I have used or I'm still using. If you have any questions at all, let me know in the comments section and I'll do my best to answer. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next video. Take care.